I just got 12-inch Subway cookie. So basically, it's a cookie that's 12 inches long, like a sandwich. Yeah. So I'm gonna open it up. Sticker here. Wait a minute. There you go. They double packaged it. No way. Oh, there it is. It's like one of these things. So, just gonna take like a small piece of it. Oh, it's stretchy. Okay. So, cheers. It's so good. But it's for limited time, and now I understand why, because it's so good. I really recommend this. It's so good. Go in your Subway and try one of these. Like, they're so good.